Today we're on the western coast of the Republic of Ireland, where we're visiting the beautiful scenery and sights of Connemara. Connemara is a region in the western part of Ireland that captivates the soul with its rugged landscapes, serene lakes, and charming villages. In this journey through Connemara's enchanting beauty, we will explore its main sites that make it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Our first stop is the breathtaking Connemara National Park, a vast expanse of untamed beauty situated between the 12 Bens mountain range and the Atlantic Ocean. Accessible trails make the exploration of this possible for both novice hikers and seasoned enthusiasts, creating an inclusive adventure for all. One of the highlights is the walk to Diamond Hill, because when you ascend this beautiful mountain, the journey unfolds like a story, with each step revealing new chapters of Connemara's natural beauty. At its summit, a breathtaking vista awaits, showcasing the pristine wilderness, shimmering lakes, and the rugged coastline meeting the Atlantic Ocean. The name Diamond Hill hints at the precious gem that is this panoramic view. Moving on, we discover the romantic Calmore Abbey, an architectural masterpiece set against the backdrop of Pollacapel Lake. After a picturesque drive along the Skye Road along the Atlantic Ocean, we venture into the lively town of Clifton, often referred to as the capital of Connemara. This colourful coastal town is brimming with character, offering a vibrant atmosphere, traditional Irish pubs, and a warm welcome from the locals. Finally, we explored more of Connemara's coastline and discovered Dogs Bay in Roundstone, a hidden gem that unveils nature's artistry at its finest. This crescent-shaped beach with its powdery white sands and turquoise waters stands as a testament to the unspoiled beauty of Ireland's west coast. The beach owes its name to the greyhound races held here in the past, adding a touch of local history to its charm. Visitors can stroll along the shoreline, take in the salty sea breeze, and revel in the tranquility that defines Dogs Bay. As our journey through Connemara comes to a close, one can't help but be enchanted by the region's diverse landscapes and rich cultural tapestry. Whether you're seeking adventure in the great outdoors, cultural exploration in charming villages, or simply a tranquil retreat surrounded by nature, Connemara has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.